Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change episodes on Red Ball 4. So let's get started. First, open the Red Ball 4 game. Tap on the play button located in the middle of the screen. Now, simply swipe right or left and select the episode that you want to play. And this is how you can change episodes on Red Ball 4. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.